Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hero to Superhero series in programming or coding artificial neural network using Python on a Visual Studio IDE. Alright guys, so we have covered quite a lot, right? Now it's actually time to do some kind of testing. So what is this testing all about? So we are basically going to test the back propagation of error. So in this lesson, you will we are going to put together all the previous pieces and see how it works. So basically we defined a fixed neural network with output values and back propagate an expected output pattern. It's pretty much as simple as that, right? So if you look at the code, it's basically, we are calculating the derivatives of a given neuron output, which you saw in the previous lesson. And then you also learned about backpropagate error, and we are storing the neurons into the corrected version from the output to the hidden layer and hidden to the input layer. That's what this particular section does from here to here, right? And then we are going to test the backpropagation error and see how it looks like. So these are all the output we are expecting, but we need to run this code and see whether this works. Well, before that, it's very important understanding that running this particular code, it should print the neural network after the back propagation of error is complete, right? You can see that the error values are calculated and stored in the neurons for the output layer and the hidden layer. Now let's run this code and see, guys, what we can see. So let me just run this code. So you can either click this triangle button or you can right click and run. Let me just right click here, right click, run Python file from terminal. So you can do that as well. Boom, there you go. Wow, it's pretty quick, right? So look at the values, guys. So if you look at it here, it's pretty clear. All the corrected values as we defined in the weights are being printed out. That means the signal is coming back saying that, hey, you said it's a cat, but I can see it's a dog, because the features of the cat and dog both have ears, similar kind of, probably nose or the tail and stuff like that. But the neural network gets confused and it throws up a wrong value. So we got to adjust the weight by using this backpropagation algorithm and say that, hey, look, this is what it is. This is cat, this is dog. So define it very clearly. Well, it's a funny example, but that's how it works. Anyways, so guys, I hope you understand these stuffs by now. We are able to debug and troubleshoot, and we saw the error, how to fix it, and that's about it. It's a pretty short lesson. You can take the code from my GitHub. I'm going to consolidate everything together so that we run our training data and see the output. Our neural network, end-to-end neural network, is ready, right? At the same time, I have also broken down the code section by section so that you can understand. So I'm going to leave the section by section code as well as the consolidated code and also the trained model. If you need more help, do reach out to me one-on-one on my WhatsApp, or you can ping me on my Skype, or I'll set up a Zoom call, or you can call my mobile. I'll be happy to assist you. Goodbye.